Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a form QR code in Smartsheet. We'll go ahead over to forms right here, create a form. There you go. Maybe just this one. If you want to, you can go ahead and edit this form. If not, straight up to the video topic, you can now go ahead and go to the top right, click on share form. Of course, save the changes first. Again, share form. And then here, go to link. Okay. But for you to be able to get the link, you should have the upgraded version of Smartsheet. So let's say you clicked on link and copied the link. Okay. Now, just for example, I have this link right here. Okay. Which is the channel's URL. Now, again, by this time, I already assume that you copied the link from this form. Now, go ahead and open up Canva. Okay. Now, in here, go to custom size. You can make it as small as you want, as big as you want. Okay. Maybe I'm just going to use 600 by 600 pixel right here. Create new design. Now in here, we're going to go ahead over to QR code in the left panel. If you can't see it, you can go ahead over to apps and just look for QR. Right here, we have QR code generator. Just click on it and just click on QR code. All right. In here, as you can see, it needs a URL. Right click and paste the copied URL or form URL. And then once done, just click on generate code. And here you have your code. Use these points to make it bigger. All right. And now you can go ahead and share it. Download. Wait for it. And again, download. Wait for the download page to pop up right here. Save it wherever you want and name it as your Smartsheet form QR. Hit on save. There you go. Now let's go ahead and check it out. Here we have the form QR. Double click on it. And now you can go ahead and send this to whoever you want. And when they scan it, they will be landed to the exact form's URL. Okay. And that's basically how you do it. That is how you create a form QR code in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.